Hey everybody, welcome to Hops at Home. I'm Mark. Today we are going to put together a gorgeous Valentine's Day tablescape just in time for everybody to celebrate love. And if you don't have anybody special to celebrate with, grab some of your girlfriends, have Galentine's Day, and even just celebrate loving yourself. Because like RuPaul says, if you can't love yourself, how are you going to love somebody else? Sorry to be cheesy. I just love RuPaul's Drag Race. We're going to start with our clean table. I went ahead and made this table runner. The fabric is from Hobby Lobby. It was like 40% off or something like that. I got 2 yards for, I believe it was about $8 and something before the exchange. With the exchange, it came to like $15 Canadian. And I just cut it to size and went ahead and sewed it up. If you don't have a sewing machine, you can always just use like hemming tape, the kind that you fold inside the fabric and then iron with it. That would work just as well. The next thing we want to do is add a little bit of height. So I've got this black cake stand. We're just gonna set that in the middle and I'm turning it so that it's diamond shaped. On top of that, we are going to put the flameless candles that I demonstrated how to make in my how-to video that came out before this one or after this one. I'm not sure which order I'm going to post them in yet. Regardless, the link to that video will be down below. So we've got our 3 flameless candles that we've decorated. The next thing I want to go ahead and do is put out my chargers. I'm just using these red glitter chargers. I got them after Christmas actually 2 years ago on sale, either at Walmart here in Canada or I got them from Hobby Lobby. And I know for sure I didn't pay more than $1 a piece for them. That's for sure. Actually, looking at the back, they were, there you go, $1.97 Canadian at Walmart, and I got them after the holidays, probably at like 75% off, so I paid maybe 50 cents for each charger. And as always, we're just going to set the table for 4. I do have an extra chair over in the corner. I'm going to move it. It's left over from game night the other night. It was a lot of fun. We had friends over, had some finger foods, played some games. It's always good to hang out with people that we love. The next thing I want to do is put my dishes out. So we're going to start with our white plates. So you can see I'm just using the color scheme of reds and pinks, whites, black. Then we're going to put out our bread plates or our salad plates, whatever you want to call them, whatever you're going to use them for. And at the same time, I'm going to put our napkins on there. And the envelope fold napkins, I did demonstrate also in the how-to video. So be sure to go check that out if it's something that you are interested in. And I'll show you what that looks like in 2 seconds. When we do our last plate. So the plate itself, the little bread plate, has our black satin napkin that's folded like an envelope, and we're using a red chocolate heart to keep it in place. Next thing I want to do is go ahead and set my cutlery. We're using our black cutlery set. This is my everyday cutlery that we use in this house. And not everybody has multiple sets of cutlery. From my last Tablescape video when we did the candy cane one, or the Winter Wonderland one actually, I was using my grandmother's cutlery. but I want it to match the color scheme we're going for, so the black everyday cutlery works. And I'm just putting my salad fork on the left hand side. To the right of that, I'm putting my dinner fork. And then we're going to go in with our bread knife and our soup spoon. So the bread knife goes to the right of the charger with the blade facing inward, and then the soup spoon goes to the right of that. Just making sure everything looks proper. And once you get the hang of doing a tablescape and you gather all of your materials, everything goes pretty quickly. Like, you can pretty much set a table in a matter of 5 minutes and have it look amazing. So the next thing we're going to do, as always, is the individual salt and pepper shakers. I'm just going to stick those in the upper corner of the chargers this time, just for a little difference. Stick that over here. Now we're going to come in with our wine glasses. I have those set to the side. And again, my glassware has all been washed in hot water, as hot as your hands can stand. These wine glasses do not go into the dishwasher, so I do have to hand wash them. I'm just going to make sure that if the glass is on the left, if the wine glass is on the left hand side at the top of the charger, it's going to be on the same side across from me. That way I'm not circling around the table constantly. Then I'm going to put our water goblets out, and for those, I went ahead and made little fun foam coasters. You can't really see, there is a pattern on them. These have like little dots. These have like a chevron wave. And it's just fun foam that I cut, templated out of a piece of paper to make a heart, traced it on the back, and then cut these out. And that's just something very easy to do that is very cost effective, but still packs a punch. So we have that. We're going to go ahead and add our water glasses. And for a finishing touch, you'll see in the how-to video for all of the decor components, I did do a standing candle vase holder for some other flameless candles, and those are sitting on my kitchen island. I'll take a picture of that and share it on my Instagram page as well. And I'll also add a video clip to the end of this to show you what that looks like. And I used faux rose petals to fill the inside of the vase. And I'm going to just take some of those same petals and sprinkle them on my table runner as well. And I'm using the faux petals just because it's only February 6th today that I'm filming this. And this is going to be out for the next week and a bit, and I'll probably stay decorated like this until the end of February, when I switch out for maybe some spring decor. Because I don't know about where you're from, today we are getting about 20 centimeters of snow, which is about 10 inches if you're in the States. And I'm just so sick of snow. They're predicting another 10 centimeters on Saturday. So I'm going to be ready for spring by the time February is done. So that being said, roses are expensive. You want to have to keep refreshing this step, and it does become very wasteful. These petals can go into a Ziploc, go into a storage bin, and they're good year after year. And there you have it. We've got a very simple tablescape But it is absolutely gorgeous, and I cannot wait to have some friends over and celebrate some Valentines. Have a great day, everybody. Please be sure to like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. I'd be more than happy to answer them. And don't forget to hit that bell icon up above so you're notified every time I post a brand new video. See you soon.